everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get ready on camera with you. It's Sunday right now. It's kind of cloudy but also sunny, so the lighting just keeps changing, and I apologize if sometimes the background looks like this, nice and warm and just a little brighter, and then sometimes the background can look pretty cool and dark. But that's just what happens when you film in front of two huge windows. I do have a ring light, but that doesn't usually help that much. So for today's look, I have an inspiration. This makeup look is going to be inspired by the colors of Flora from Winx. This makeup look is going to contain pinks and also just a light hint of green. I think pink and green looks very pretty. It just reminds me of a flower, so fitting for Flora. Without further ado, let's jump into this. I was initially planning on applying foundation, but to be honest, I can't be bothered. I really don't feel like it. I have it in front of me, but I really don't feel like it, so I'm just going to go straight into my concealer. Today is one of those days where I was thinking of doing a voiceover because I'm just feeling pretty low energy today, and I was thinking of doing my makeup just for myself, so to speak, and just film myself as I do. I guess I'll just talk the tiniest amount. I just don't feel very talkative today. That's fine. While the concealer is setting, I'm actually going to jump into my bronzer. It's going to be a cream bronzer. The best days to film weather-wise are extremely sunny days or just complete overcast days, but like today, being a mixture of clouds and sun is really the worst and makes it super difficult to get an even looking video, and it drives me nuts. I'm gonna use my powder that is absolutely exploding everywhere right now. Putting some on the back of my hand, kind of mix it together. For my blush, I will be starting with something more blurry and soft. So for that, I'm going to be using the Dasique Mood Blending Cheek in the shade Candy Berry. And I think I will be mixing these three lighter colors together. And on top, I'm still indecisive, I'll have to see. I'm super indecisive as to what I want to put on top. I'm either going to be using Rem Beauty's Pinking of You or Deep Throat by NARS. They are so different in tone, and I feel like the Dasique palette is more of a warm pink, as you can tell. So I guess Deep Throat will look better, but I don't know, Flora has just a bunch of different pink tones, sometimes even something that looks slightly lilac, so I don't know which one to go for. I think I'll be using the Pinking of You because I haven't used it in a while. I will be using a little bit of a cool tone shimmer on my eye, or like glitter on my eye as a topper, so I think just, you know, here and there pulling the cool tones together can't hurt, so I'll be going in with Pinking of You. But I feel like this shade would have also looked really good on top. This is not really like realistic to use like 3 different blushes or 2 different blushes, 5 eyeshadow palettes, but when I get ready like this and I have a certain vision, or just generally when I get ready on my own, not for a video or anything, I mix so many products because I just want to use the products that I have. I try to just use as much as I can, to be honest, and I think it's fun to mix shades together. To keep going with the pink kind of theme and that like fairy-esque vibe, I think for my cheeks I'll be using the Gimme Glow by Essence in the shade Lovely Rose. So Lovely Rose on my cheekbones. And for my nose, I'm going to use from the Peony Nude Garden palette from Romance this shimmery pink shade here. Just a little bit because it is a little bit deeper, but I feel like the pink hue is going to look very fairy-esque. don't know how it's going to look on camera, if it's too pink or if it's just enough. I feel like the one thing that takes ages in my routine is curling my lashes, which is why I always do it off camera. With the eyelashes curl, we can move on to the eyeshadow. So I'll be starting with the same highlighter, has that pinky hue so that we don't overcomplicate things. This is going to go on my entire eyelid. I'm going to use a little bit of that same pink color that we used on the nose, just in the center. Now I'm going to use the glitter. This one has a little bit of a pink, purple, blue kind of shift, so it's a little bit more cool toned. And this goes as well right into the center. I feel like it's especially this glitter shade that makes the eyes look a little bit more fairy-like. Now I'm going to use a single shadow in a minty kind of green color, and this is going to go into my inner corner. I don't know if this is going to completely botch the makeup look. I just had a vision and I thought that it could look nice. We'll see. Oh no, it's good. It's cute, yes! Ooh. And I'm kind of dragging it upwards. Yeah, that color is really cute in the inner corner. I like that. For eyeliner, again, want to tie in the green, so I'm using a dark green eyeliner. This is from Essence. It's in the shade Feeling Leafy. It's their Blend and Line eyeshadow stick. It has a little bit of a smoky shift depending on how you turn your head. Sometimes you can really see the green, sometimes it just looks like a little bit of a shadow. For mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline Sky High mascara. I'm gonna fill in my brows how I usually do. And finally, for the lips, to also stick with a kind of like pinky theme, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade Line Leader. I was initially thinking of using Nude Truffle by NYX because it really goes with everything. But then I thought I should use something more pinky, so I'm going in with Line Leader. I want to give my lips a little bit more of a tint today, so once the color fades, my lips have a little bit of a tint. So I'm using the Catrice Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Keep It Juicy. Just a little bit of a light pink. I'm gonna let it react a little bit with my pH level. I still want to use a little bit of something extra on top. So I don't know if I should use Sweet Mouth by Fenty, which this really looks like a fairy-esque lip gloss, doesn't it? Because of all the pearlescent color and shimmer, I think I should go for this. But I was also thinking of using the Rem Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss in Pink Razor. It just makes the lip lighter, but it doesn't add any shimmer. So I think I just answered that myself. I will be using Sweet Mouth by Fenty instead. The makeup is complete, but I feel like the sweater, the hair is just not giving, so I'll be back once I put on a different outfit, try to do something about my hair without using heat, and yeah, I'll be back soon. So I just put on a light beige top, added some pearl earrings. I really like the eyes, that they are like pink, but also a little bit of green, not too much, and I really like the sparkle. I think it turned out pretty nice. This completes today's Get Ready With Me. I think it looks very fresh and pretty. If you are afraid of color like myself, using just pastels and light shimmers I think is a great way to incorporate a little bit of more color and not just going for neutrals every time. If you did enjoy this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That means so much to me and helps my channel out a lot, and I really hope to see you in my next video, and until then, please take care. Bye.